Hi, this is Deidre with Now Property Investments. We're at a home just south of Dallas, about 45 minutes south of Dallas. It's a very nice house. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, older home on about a third of an acre. And with it being an older home, I don't know if when the residents left, they decided not to do anything with this house. And what happens when you allow a home to stay vacant is sometimes you get squatters. When we drove up to look at the house because we were possibly interested in purchasing it, there were 2 cars outside of it. So we didn't know if there was still someone living here. From what we've been told previously, the home was vacant. On further investigation, it is vacant, but that's just a squatter potential, so we don't know who those cars belong to. And that's something that you may want to consider if you're going on to your next destination. So if you've already purchased a new home and you're interested in getting rid of your older home, go to our website at www.nowpropertyinvest.com.
Hey, thanks for watching. One last thing. Go ahead and like and subscribe below to help other homeowners just like yourself learn how to navigate through this crazy real estate market.